coming up and they will be yellow, golden. It's one of the many goldenrods, and we don't even attempt to go to the species. They are not easy. So that's a goldenrod. We'll see many of those going on. Okay, let's take that path on the other side of 3. See how fleshy? It actually shows you that it is a vine too. Yeah. So poison ivy is a vine. You have it as ground cover, but it can go up the tree. Here you actually see the berries, the fruits. The birds eat them. They don't have. They typically not affected by that. Another tree. That's actually important for this type of. See, it has like that net to it. It's difficult to focus on that plane. I don't want to do it. Here, what do you think? We had that before. The pinnately compound leaves. But what's special in this one, right, is that the top ones are bigger and more ovate here on the top, as to all the same. This is a hickory. Yeah. Young hickory here, see that structure of the skin. So the edible people didn't have much to work at. This is actually a moss and they are
Blimey, it's a crocodile.
I don't know whether you guys know that almost everything we walk on here that farmers plant for their livestock is all introduced. I guess if we would know how to humanely kill them, we would probably be.
Step on its head.
No. We don't really know what to do. It looks old, right? With the gray. I think they're typically not. It's probably just old.
I don't see any blood in there.
Yeah. Huh? You want to try getting another place?
I will.
Okay, here from the side maybe. Get a better look. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. It could be that it's, worn out. Yeah.
He does look pretty skinny though.
It could be really, I think it might be old from this.
They're usually dark brown.
Okay, no, you're not giving up. That's good. Okay. Okay, buddy. Take care. So, here we have.
The story.
How deep again?
And the spade is really good to kind of do the corners. And as deep as we get. You can also start in that corner or wherever. So we have
pull some weeds. You want me to... Would that help?
Oh yeah, you want to use that? Yeah, and pull some weeds. With those on, you have your pants safe. You can even hold on the poison ivy. Just remember that you have it on your gloves. You touch somewhere else.
Deep, like 2 meters.
As deep as we get. I mean, we did 2 years ago. We did 1 meter 50. It actually got kind of hard then to get deeper. Looks like we're pretty good with. It's very soft. So the plan is actually kind of amazing how much is in there.
Yeah,
You
and
can
it doesn't-
calculate that. It's a math problem, how much cubic feet we're moving. Oh, well, you can actually take...
Does one end have to be shallower than the other? Yeah, that one I think is going to be a step. Right, you want this the deep side?
Yes, yes. I think we will see the colors better. Would it be helpful if somebody grabs those roots out? Do you want to do that with those gloves on?
Alright, so we'll just make this
Maybe
a
we
step.
have
You want
to
dig like from there to there.
cut that one again. Oh yeah, I know. Pair of loafers would be good. You have the saw ready in case for the roots, but maybe we can just grab them out. Where?
Think about it. Oh. It's like
Oh, there's some beetle larvae.
That's not a cicada killer.
Okay, we're taking that layer too.
There's some shit you can't
That
cut
brown
out.
soil. Will be all in JPEG. You guys know that if you want to download a bunch of files, you can actually click on them, and then if you have more than one selected, it makes a zip file. So you have one single file uploading, and then you unpack it on your computer. That makes it much easier. Still some big roots coming here. Just come out this way, and maybe we should just cut a few of the roots off so we see that better. And I didn't think of it, but next time I'll bring a brush, because we want to make sure we don't have the color from the above horizon contaminating the picture, basically. So that's good effort, guys. Pretty good. So it's just here. So this is it. So now we have to get the tape measure. Yeah. Just stay a little away from the corner. But, yeah. So we have about a meter with a, how you call it, clipboard would be the easiest. I have in my bag, if you don't.
I got it.
You have one? Good.
Logan's got one too.
Did you make a picture of anybody do that?
You might want to add a little bit more.
Did you? Maybe this is something dynamic. Yeah, it's better in a video.
Okay, I'll try and mold it.
Do we have the location of this?
Yep.
Good.
little bit more water.
It's a little far.
Alright, well, does it remain in the ball when you squeeze it?
Yes.
Okay. So place ball soil between thumb and forefinger, gently push in the soil with the thumb, working it upward into a ribbon.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Okay, so if it makes a ribbon, which I think it will,
Yeah, it's
does it like break apart when you're...
good kind
Okay, so it forms a ribbon.
Mm-hmm.
Does the soil make a weak ribbon? No, it's kind of strong.
It's kind of strong. It's a little weak, but
So it's that 1 to 2 inches before breaking. No.
it has a crack, so it's about to break.
Okay, so it's especially wet, a small pinch of soil and palm of hand and rub it with your forefinger. So I'm gonna like wet a little piece and just kind of feel if it's gritty, smooth, or neither.
It's kind of gritty.
You ready? So you got sandy clay loam. Just like us.
Cool. Well, you guys are right below me. Literally.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Okay. Oh, where is it?
yeah.
Oh,